Hello everybody and welcome back, because I thought that I should change my name back to Cake Bro Gaming instead of having just a new YouTube channel, because I lost my old account and I didn't want to tell anyone, but yeah, I'm gonna stick with it. So, welcome back to some more Minecraft Pocket Edition. With that being said, let's go and enter this server. It's called Cookie Build. Ooh, build battle. I'm actually horrible at this one, but, you know, I can't really do too much about that. So, ooh, enter. Ha! Dang it. I thought I entered the one that had a lot more. I need... What? Why did that happen? Options. Alright, there we go. It's fixed. Hopefully this will go fast. Because I don't really have anything to trim the video very well. Whoa, I love your cape. Wait, they got capes introduced again? Whoa. I need one. Hey everybody. How's it going? I can see you are all doing very well. Hello Zpakadokanto, aka the little chicken. That's in another language. Isn't that right, the little chicken? I can speak Spanish. Isn't that right, little chicken? Come on, one more person. Come on. I'm pretty sure they're all just chatting in the normal room. I used to have VIP for all of the servers, but for some reason, whenever I go back into the Cookie Build Network app, and I type in my name, it says that I only have it for one server. And that one server barely ever shows up anymore. Ooh, a boat. Should I be a smart aleck? Probably not. So, let's grab some seaweed. Well, it's not seaweed, but you know what I mean. I hope. Let's get some water. Oh, this is gonna be horrible. I'm very bad at boats. Pretty much anything else, except for chibi characters. I even draw them in real life. Why such lag? Okay. Look at that, we're actually doing it. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. Okay, I'm in Minecraft. Okay. Don't worry, guys, we got a 6-year-old on here. Well, that's a bad thing, because now we're not gonna win. We tried, but we're gonna have to give the 6-year-old the best score ever. That's just what good people do. the only thing they can do. Well, never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up. This is the best boat I have ever seen. I mean, look at this. Boats. Boats, boats, boats. Boats. Boats, 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 boats. What? Why they no make water spread anymore? Okay, that's just kind of not fair. Cause now I gotta like spam click it before my time runs out. It's starting to spread a little bit, but it's doing it really slowly. So let's speed it up a little bit. Alright. Now that we've used 1,000,002 buckets, let's get another boat. Like, not like another boat, but like a smaller boat. One of the dinky tiny boats. Once I find them. Where are the boats? I can't. Oh, there they are. I'm so smart. Look at this. Look at all these boats. They just live being boats. There's nothing more to it but being a boat. Gotta put some boats in here so that you can ride. See? Alright. What? It like changed. What the fudge? Oh. Didn't do it. Didn't even do it. What happened to all my boats? My boats, they're exploding in. Hurry. Place as many down as possible. It's the only way. Ooh. Oh, whoever did this, great job. Oh, what? No, I wanted like epic. They like switched the colors around on each side from the last time I was in here. Look at the boat. Give it a legendary. Give it an okay. That'll be good. If you give it an okay, I'll be satisfied. Thank you. They still suck. We got a guy right here who seems to enjoy this. Let's give it an okay. Okay, this is nice. Is this Captain Sparkles? If it is, I'm really sorry. Oh! Look at the craftsmanship. Oh, are you the creator of this boat? Oh, we gotta give it a legendary. No doubt about it. Driving a boat. Bad. Very bad. Very bad. Petite cute kitten. Say 1, 2, 3 to roleplay. Ooh, whose is this? Let's give it an okay. Oh, no, it's an epic. This is pretty good. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The people. Oh, these guys. Oh, let's give them a legendary. Not good, people. Not good. Not good. Oh! Yay! This person won. Good job. He deserves it. I got -4 points. That's fine, though. Oh, sir. Sir. Oh. Ma'am, you scared me. You made him look. Ooh, a cape. I have to get one. Give me that cape. Give me the cape. Urgh. I shan't settle for nothing less. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Boop.